At Honda, we don't just make cars, we manufacture dreams. A Honda plant is an industry in itself, a self-reliant framework, empowered to innovate and create sophisticated products with state-of-the-art technology. Integration is the way of life at Honda, where we achieve an end-to-end production cycle. From the forging of iron to the testing of our cars on special test tracks, it all happens here. Flexibility is a part of our manufacturing DNA, where our assembly lines can seamlessly create multiple products to meet ever-surging dynamic market demands. Our joy of creating is not limited to India only. From being the biggest manufacturer of diesel engines to being the largest manual transmission manufacturers for Honda worldwide, we are a factory to the world. Defined by superior quality standards, we export our cars and their components to numerous countries. We at Honda take the Make in India missive to heart, contributing significantly to India's impressive growth story for decades. We continue to enable the local economy with initiatives like the Integrated Suppliers Park. Our human capital is our biggest strength, and we continuously bridge the skill gap through training and local enablement. As we believe in a world with clear blue skies for our children, each and every function in our facilities is sustainable and climate friendly. We at Honda are committed to India, powering dreams and fueling futures. Striving to become a company that society wants to exist.